Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to go more in depth about exactly how you set up a post-engage campaign. Now, there's a couple of steps that are involved in this, and there's a reason for that. Is Facebook does not provide the ID, the user's ID that we need in order to send them a message in Messenger by simply replying to a comment on a post. Okay, so it's really a two-step process in order to get them as a subscriber. Okay, and to deliver your message. And I'm going to show you exactly how you would go about setting one of these up. Okay, so until Facebook releases us a better way to do this, the only way we can grab the correct ID, their messenger ID, basically, is what we need. This is the way that it has to be done. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take this particular post that I have here on one of my pages, and I'm going to go ahead and set up the all the settings here. Okay, so as you see, I'm going to choose a bot, and I'm going to choose this hacks bot. Okay, because this is about camping hacks. Of course, I'm going to turn on the conversation. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a non-subscriber message, okay? Now, there's a little note here that tells you what that means, okay? The very first time, if a person is not a subscriber of yours inside of Segmate, then they will receive this message only, okay? This message only. This is a textual message. You cannot send images or galleries or videos or anything like that. You can only send textual messages, okay? Now, when this message gets delivered, that person is still not yet a subscriber. They have to interact with Messenger somehow. They need to reply back to you in Messenger in order for them to become that subscriber, okay? So here's how we're going to do this. I've chosen this, and let's just say that I had some text here. I don't on this particular example, but I had some text that says, "Hey, how would you like to have my top 30 camping hacks?" Simply simply comment the word hacks below in as a comment. Okay, and you'll see here's where I have my keyword hacks set up. Okay, and I'm going to send that immediately. All right. Now I set my non-subscriber message to say, "Can I send you those free hacks now? If so, reply hacks." Okay, now this is going to be sent to them in Messenger. So this keyword that I've set up here is only the trigger to send this message. Okay, so when they comment this on the post, they make the actual comment hacks on the post, and they're not a subscriber, then this is the message that they're going to receive. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to get them to say something back to us in Messenger that will trigger our actual bot, which is this right here, which is the more fancy ones, okay? So here's how we do that. Now, there are keywords, okay? We have the keyword section over here as well, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to actually open that in a new window. Okay, now you're going to notice that I have a keyword set up here called hacks as well, okay? And I'm going to have it send this existing conversation, which is hacks, all right? Now you'll notice it's duplicated, right? Like I have hacks here saying the word keyword, but this only triggers this message if they are a subscriber or if they're not a subscriber. If they are a subscriber, it will trigger this message, okay? So we're good to go. So look at it this way. If a user comes to this post and they read it and they comment hacks and they are already a subscriber, then this is going to go out. This message is going to go out. This bot is going to be sent to them right away, straight away. You're good to go. Okay, you're perfect. But if they're not a subscriber, we can't send them these fancy messages. But Facebook doesn't allow it. So that's where the non-subscriber message comes in. So what will happen is if a non-subscriber comments hacks, they're going to get this. Okay, and what we're telling them is, can I send you those free hacks now? If so, reply hacks. Now look over to my keywords. Hacks. And it's the exact same message that's going to get sent. Now I can send them the bot message because they will become a subscriber as soon as they interact in Messenger. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how that would work. So let's go to my page here. And here it is right here, and I'm gonna reply hacks. Okay, so let's just say that I set up here, hey, comment below if you want my 30 brilliant camping hacks. Go ahead and reply or comment the word hacks. So I do that. Okay, so what's gonna happen now it is. Okay. So it's going to say, can I send you those free hacks now? If so, reply hacks. Okay, so there. Now look at let's compare that to what we have in our post engage setup. I'm not a subscriber of this page, and I've commented with the keyword hacks because that's what I've put here. Okay, so you see that? I've commented hacks. It sent me this message that says, can I send you those free hacks now? If so, reply hacks. That is my non-subscriber message that I entered right here. Okay? Now, as a user, I'm going to say, okay, hacks. All right, so I've replied hacks because I want my 3 hacks, and I say, great, here is a link to your free hacks, enjoy, and I'm going to send them the link off to it. Now that is the actual bot. That is this. Let's go ahead and click it and look at it. There it is. Here's a free link, or here's a link to your free hacks. Enjoy. Okay, so that's what was sent to them because now they are an actual subscriber. So if I go look, you'll see there I am right there. I'm a subscriber now at that point. So that is how Post Engage works. Now, let's just say that I am now a subscriber and I've come to another one of your posts. All right, so maybe let's find a different post here. Let's just do this generic one right here. I already have this one kind of set up, but I'm going to just call this, subscribe or sub. We'll just say sub. Okay. I'm going to turn this on. I've chosen a generic bot. And actually, I'll go ahead and choose the same bot, the hacks bot. And I'm going to save it just to show you what would happen here. Okay, so that's saved. All right, now let's go back over to my particular post. This post, which is a different post. It says hello. And that one is right here. It's just a test post. And let's see, let me make sure I have the right word that I said. Oh, sub. Okay, so sub. Now that I'm already a subscriber, if I comment with whatever you tell me to comment with, the keyword, I'm going to get this delivered straight to me. Okay, I'm going to get this one delivered straight to me. So I would say sub. And there it is. There's the message. Here's a link to your free hacks. Enjoy. Okay, do you see I didn't have to go through the non-subscriber message anymore because I'm already a subscriber. So in the future, if any of these of my current subscribers, my raving fans come back to my fan page and comment on these posts, they'll automatically go ahead and get, that bot that you've attached to it. But we have to get them as a subscriber. And again, those are Facebook rules. There's nothing we can do within our app to make that any easier without breaking their TOS, and we will not do that. So hopefully that clears things up a little bit. It's a little bit more of a process, but it is effective, and it is a way to get subscribers.